This is Miss Laura with Tomball Library, and I'm back with some Play-Doh fun, and today we're going to make fast food. Before we start, we want to make sure and gather all of our tools. I just used a lot of lids to do different sizes of the circles. We're going to do the bun, the lettuce, tomato, cheese, and patty. So we are going to start off with the bun. For our bottom bun, we are going to want it to be pretty flat and a little bit thin. And for the top bun, since it's a little bit bigger, we aren't going to make it completely flat. We're just going to flatten it a little bit with our hands. And then we're going to cut out the circle. For the lettuce, we are going to first flatten this out, and we are going to use the smallest circle that we have. We're just going to squish down on the edges to make it look more like a lettuce leaf, and then we add them onto the bottom bun. For the tomato, we'll just use a slightly smaller circle than we did for the bun. For the cheese, we can make this lighter cheese color by mixing together orange and yellow, flatten it out, and we can either use a square shape or we can take a circle that is slightly bigger than the one that we used for the bun, and we'll just use our knife to cut our cheese into a square shape. And our last part is going to be the meat patty. So we just use the same circle as we did for the bun in this one. Before we finish off the burger, we're just going to take a few little specks and wiggle them between our fingers so that they look like sesame seed buns. And now that we have the sesame seeds on top, we just put the top of our bun and we are all set. And you have made a very tasty looking hamburger. And you can't have a burger without fries. We just need red, yellow, and a ruler. So let's go ahead and start with the fries by taking the yellow. Flatten out our yellow into a long rectangle shape. Cut it into fries from there. We're going to make the box that they will go in, and we're going to do that by making a shape pretty much exactly the same size as this. Cut it on the side so that it will be the same length. For the other way, I want to make it about half that size. And next we will just lift up every fry one by one. We don't want to go past the middle. Once we have all of our fries arranged on top of here, we're just going to take this part and loop it over, and there you have your fries. For our hot dog, we are going to want a bun color, a little tiny piece of mustard color, and then a meat color. And lastly, you're going to need a giant circle. Since hot dog buns are a little bit thick, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing that we did with the top bun of the hamburger, and we're going to just smush it down with our hands so that it's not too thin. And then we'll cut out the shape. Flatten it out, and we're going to use the same circle cut to cut out the hot dog. Now slowly roll the circle into a cylinder shape like a hot dog, and then we take the ends and pinch them together a little bit to just seal it off. And once we're done with that, we are going to put our hot dog in here, and that little piece of yellow that we used earlier, we're going to just roll it in our fingers like this, put it in a wiggle shape on the hot dog so that it'll look like mustard. Pull the bun up And you've got your hot dog. And you're all done with your Play-Doh fast food. Be sure to share your creations in the comments section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!